Good afternoon. I am here to talk to you today about a really cool startup called Bayer. Bayer was a startup 150 years ago when two Friedrichs decided that they saw an opportunity. At the time, colorful fabrics and dyes were really coming into vogue. And they said, look, we can make synthetic dyes, and there's a huge market for that. So they brought the chemical expertise together with the business expertise, and now 150 years later, that little startup is now a huge, well-respected brand with over 100,000 people around the world. So how do we do that? So for us at Bayer, innovation is really about collaboration. And in the human and animal and plant space, we've always collaborated with scientists and with researchers and with people in our clinical trials, with farmers in our field trials. This collaboration is really integral to having any innovation. And now in the digital side, I'll go to the next set here. In our new digital environment, we have this new set of digital enablers that are helping us to collaborate across borders that previously held us back. So we're able to do much more collaboration, much more connection. And at the end of the day, what's really exciting about the digital transformation is not another wearable and is not another device. What's really transformative for the life science industry is that this information is now connected in a way, it's interoperable and pulled together in a way where we can look at the end benefit to the user. So right now, we make brilliant molecules. And that's hard. Taking a molecule from a high-output screener through phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 trials, putting 10 years and $2 billion to making one new product. Right now, we do that so that you can get an innovative, transformative medicine to help your life. And that's sort of where it ends. But now with new technology, with better data integration, with better advanced analytics, we can actually go beyond that and say, what is that end benefit? And who is going to benefit the most? And how do we make sure the right people get the right product at the right time? So we're really excited by this new digital transformation era at Bayer. So what I want to talk to you about a little bit is how we've worked in our own company to change from 150 years of technology and medical expertise and scientific expertise and marketing expertise. How do you take a 150-year-old giant and do a digital transformation? And the answer is, one person at a time. For us at Bayer, digital is not a technology topic. Digital is a people topic. It's about pulling together the right expertise, the right information. I often get questions about the huge amounts of data. It's so exciting, all this data. And actually, at Bayer, we've always worked with huge amounts of data. That's how you do science. And it's not so much the data, it's how do you use it? What are the algorithms? How are you actually making it meaningful and applying it? And that's really where we see a lot of collaboration. So at Bayer, we're pulling together, looking across our people, our processes, our platforms, and our partnerships, and doing an end-to-end transformation, because digital affects every single part of your business. So how do we do that? Of course, we innovate in our laboratories. We have some of the best scientists out there. If you're in science, please come join us and work at Bayer. We have some of the best scientists, but beyond that, we're innovating with you, with startups, with big innovative giants. We do our own internal startups. We take 5 employees, give them 5 weeks and a cool challenge, and set them loose. We also have a life science hub. We have many, actually, life science hubs, but one of them in Silicon Valley is particularly good at pulling in digital and innovation and doing that incubation for the company. And then, of course, we have grants for apps, and this is a program I'm so excited about. What we do here is startups actually apply to come into Bayer. They literally go down the street to our offices in Berlin. They stay with us for 3 months, and we give them C-suite mentorship, which is huge, having one of the top leaders at Bayer mentor your startup. We give them funding, and we give them space. And then we pair them up, whether it's an innovation for consumer health, or for crop science, or for pharma. So the Grants for Apps program is actually open now, so if you're here and you're with a startup, please go online and apply. But we take startups from all over the world, and then we really pull them into our business and integrate them into what we do. So now lastly, I have the honor today of giving my remaining time to a really cool group that we've just been able to announce a long-term collaboration partner with yesterday. Can I ask Cube to come join me?